are going to ride Rise of the Resistance in Disney's Hollywood Studios, but first we want to show you the process for getting into the virtual queue to ride the attraction.
Good morning and welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Beginning at 10 a.m., guests hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance may join our virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of cast members located throughout the park. We plan to reopen the virtual queue at 1 and 4 p.m. to fill additional boarding groups. We also welcome you to visit Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Slinky Dog Dash at Toy Story Land, and our newest attraction, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at the Chinese Theater. Whatever you choose, we hope you enjoy your day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
We're in. We're group 32. Once it's time to ride, you'll get a notification on your My Disney Experience app.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. What the that did not.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a few maps of transport to make a jump.
Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Color vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
How quick get there?
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Order to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, you go to the prisoners. You're released in detention lock range.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection to no D.
nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Nina, Scaffery's copy.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
The rain is about to start, but we want to say goodbye to Hollywood Studios for the day. We are signing out. We had a fun day, and it's amazing to be back in the parks.